Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and watching my video. This video car maintaining information checklist, all checklist. So watching my video, car maintaining checklist explained your car's life with a regular maintenance ritual. Number one, car maintaining checklist. Check your car's engine oil, check other car fluids, check air and cabin filter. FAQs. Regular maintenance can help you keep your car in perfect shape. Will different component and parts will need explained from time of time. Regular check can cut down and number of visit to the repair shop. Can you explain your car's useful life and save time and money on avoided repairs? The good thing is regular car maintenance. It's not as thorough or time consuming as we often assume. All you need to do is keep offer car maintenance checklist and adhere to it. Quit literally your car's life depend on it. To make the task easier, we bring you a complete car maintenance checklist to follow. Car maintenance checklist: engine oil, other fluid, battery, air and cabin filters, spark plug, timing belt, light, tires. Some of the tasks on this list need weekly attention, while others only need monthly check. Create a schedule according to your vehicle's condition and requirements. Number one, check engine oil. Checking your car's engine oil regularly is essential for its maintenance. Engine oil makes your engine run smoothly and also prevents internal parts from wearing out too quickly. You can check a car engine oil level with a dipstick or an electronic gaggle available for newer model. Ideally, engine oil must be translation and smooth in extra. If it is too murky or dark, it is time to change your engine oil. Number two, check other fluid. There are other car fluids. Disable the engine lubricant, and all of them are crucial for your vehicle's performance. For strategies, check your washer fluid. It runs out quickly, but refilling it is quick, simple. Also check other essential fluid in the car, including engine coolant, brake fluid and steering fluid. You can easily check the fluid levels with the dipstick or Google. Depending on your vehicle, this fluid must be checked on a weekly basis. Number 3, Car batteries are the lifeline of your vehicle. Generally, you can quickly start your car in one go, but with a weak battery, the start is not as smooth as it should be. This usually means your battery is going bad and needs to service or a replacement. Moreover, in a country like the UAE, where the temperature gets really high, car batteries and other parts do not last for too long, especially when they are not maintained regularly. Here is a detailed load and checking car battery performance. Number 4, keep a check on tires. Keeping a check on your vehicle's tire pressure is always important. You can simply work around the vehicle to check your visible puncture or lux. Look for on out thread and bestrayer on the tire as the indicate when the tire needs replacement. You can also use the tire pressure Google to make sure the air inside the tire is sufficient. Similarly, you need to keep an eye on over inflated tires, as they can be disastrous in summer. Number 5, check air and cabin filter. When it comes to car maintenance, air and cabin filters are two key filters and should never be ignored. The air filter play an essential role in preventing debris, dust particles, others contaminates from getting into the engine. This polluants usually get in through a vehicle's HVAC system. To inspect an air filter, research toward the light. If the light does not visibly pass through the filter, it means the engine air filter has to do change it. For cabin filter, turn on your car's AC heater if you feel an odd smell in the cabin. It means the cabin filters needs to be changed. Number 6, check spark plug. Checking spark plug in the important parts of vehicle maintenance. Your cars would not start without working spark plug, and a dirty spark plug will impact your vehicles to fuel efficiency. Generally, you will have to replace them when they get rusty or dark in color, but regular cleaning will extend their useful life. When choosing between remedium and platinum spark plug. It is better to do with the one with a longer lifespan, such as iridium spark plug, which can complete 8,000 km without as an issue. 8,000 km without an issue. Number 7, check timing belt. Checking the timing belt is also an important part of vehicle maintenance. If the timing belt is making a lot of noise, it is time to replace it, and the same goes for serpentine belts. However, these are not easy for safe repair. Take your car to the nearly mechanic and get it fixed before it's too late. Number 8 and last, uh, clean your car. Going for an automatic or manual car wash entirely up to the driver, but cleaning the car inside out or that's matter. Out is what matter. Vehicle maintenance cannot be incomplete. Cannot be complete without washing and cleaning the car properly. In the UAE, people quote driving dirty cars are first warned by the outside, but if they continue driving around a dirty vehicle 3 days after receiving the warning is gets important. Car drivers have to face a penalty of AED 1500 to get their cars back. Now we have an essential car maintenance checklist ready. Without this check, you can risk ridicule your car's life and hinder its performance. As a result, you may face a higher repair cost and lower car value in the long run. Besides, if you are in search of another car but are short on budget, here is a wide range in quality used car to choose from. So thanks a lot watching my video. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.